Welcome to KVR's Googler YouTube channel. Friends, today's topic is how we can create or convert a video to reverse video with the help of kinemaster app. This is the kinemaster app and it is a paid version. So let's start. Choose the ratio. Import a video with the media. I will crop it as I need. Now watch this video. So the video is like that. We will reverse it. So guys, you need to click on the video and choose this option, reverse. It will take some seconds. The process is complete. Now watch the video. The video is successfully reversed. So guys, this is the simple process to make a reverse video with the help of kinemaster. So guys, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video and comment on this video if you like this video and want more videos, then please comment. Thanks for visit.